talk about how can you find your favorites on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do to find your favorites, you just go down here, you click here on this sign here, you just click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all favorites you have. I have not liked events yet here, but automatically here, if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list here on your app. So that's all you have to do to find your favorites. That's all. I wish now you I get it. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.